All right, today I have a Cadillac XTS and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on the Cadillac XTS, this particular Cadillac XTS. In order to open up the hood on the Cadillac XTS that I have, I'm going to show you. But before I get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this content helpful in any way. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in the Cadillac XTS. In order to open the hood, what you're gonna do is make sure your car is in park. I have it turned off, and I'm gonna look towards the foot panel down here. You see there's the brake, there's the gas, but if you look all the way to the left, there is this lever right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this. And did you hear that click? That's indicative that the hood is open, or it's unlatched a little bit, but you have to unlatch the safety latch. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and go towards the front. So I pulled this, you heard the click, and then I am going to go to the front of the vehicle. I'm going to go to the front of the vehicle, and right here, I'm trying to lift it up, but it won't go up. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to see there's a little safety latch right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger, going to go inside like this, bend it down right there to get the right spot, and then go to the right. Okay, so I'm going to do that, go to the right, and then lift up with perhaps the other hand, and it comes open right here. And now the hood is open. All right, and that is how you open the hood on a Cadillac XTS. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.